as one of the largest private steel companies in Indonesia. With more than 50 years of experience in the steel industry, we produce high-quality steel annually certified by local and international certifications. Covering more than 200 hectares in Cikarang Barat, West Java Province, Indonesia. GRP will provide you with the highest quality service in steel products, using the latest computerized machines. GRP always emphasize foremost on professional performances. Creating quality steel products for the evolving world is our priority. GRP has achieved production capacity of around 2.2 million tons per year. In the coming years, GRP will continue to grow and ensure the fulfillment of the need for high-quality steel products. We ensure stakeholders and customer satisfaction through innovation, efficiency, productivity, quality products and services, as well as company social responsibility, to enable company sustainability. We are shaping tomorrow because we believe, together, we develop a better future.